Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. Sutta Goswami said, Arjuna, the celebrated friend of Lord Krishna, was grief-stricken because of his strong feeling of separation from Krishna, over and above all Maharaj Yudhisthira's speculative inquiries.
So evam Krishna Sakha Krishna. Arjuna's name is Krishna Sakha, and he is also called sometimes Krishna, because Arjuna's bodily feature was almost similar to Krishna's bodily feature. So, he was morose, being separated from Krishna, and his elder brother was suggesting whether you are morose for this reason or that reason or this reason. Actually, he was unhappy on account of being separated from Krishna. Similarly, not only Arjuna, all of us, we are also, as Krishna, Arjuna is also a living entity. We are also a living entity. So, we are also unhappy because we are separated from Krishna. These modern philosophers or scientists, they may suggest or they may go on thinking otherwise, that they can improve the world situation in their own way, but that is not possible. We are unhappy on account of being separated from Krishna. They do not know that. Just like a child is crying, and nobody can say why he is crying. But actually, a child is generally in crying condition, being separated from the mother. So not only it is the question of Arjuna or Krishna, every one of us. In the Upanishad it is said that Paramatma, Krishna, and the living entity, they are sitting on the same tree. Samane vrikshe. One living entity is eating the fruit of the tree, and the other living entity is simply witnessing, anuvanta. So Krishna is situated in everyone's heart. Ishara sarvabhutanam riddeshe arjuna tishtati. Because without his sanction, the living entity cannot do anything. Sarvasya chaham riddhi sannivishta. Krishna says that I am seated in everyone's heart. So the living entity wants to do something out of his own whims. Krishna says, or Krishna gives good consultation, that this will not make you happy. Don't do this. But he is persistent, he will do it. Then Krishna sanctions, Paramatma, all right, you do it at your risk. This is going on. Every one of us, very intimately connected with Krishna. And Krishna is sitting in everyone's heart. Krishna is so kind that he is simply waiting when this rascal will turn his face towards me. He is simply looking. He is so kind. But we living entities, we are so rascal, we shall turn our face to everything except Krishna. This is our position. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.